Good morning. So we're here, and it's the weekend again. We're excited and happy that we're able to be home. Margolin dancing in the background. Today we want to show you our home, where we live, and some of the stuff that we do. We have this little tradition. Well, he's dancing right over there.
Tell him about the socks.
Every weekend, he wants me to point out his socks.
He didn't want me to wear the socks. We had a big fight about it.
He's crazy. So every weekend we usually take out croissants the night before, so we can eat them. Duh. So we're gonna show you little croissants. We get them from Williams-Sonoma. They're amazing.
Make them.
Hi, Margolin. And then later on we're gonna go to the Armory. I'm gonna show you a little bit of that. I'm not sure if I can record the whole thing, but here we are. This is our little tree house. He's clapping it out. Margolin, what are you doing?
What's going on? I'm making breakfast.
On your phone. Are the croissants done yet?
No, they're over here, but I gotta make coffee first.
Oh.
Okay, so...
What are we doing today?
Okay, hold on. Need coffee before we discuss this. That's my little frother. It should be washed, but we're busy. Okay, so we're gonna make croissants. This has become a little ritual around here. Okay, my fridge, first of all. These are all our love pictures. And this is a gift certificate for my mom for Christmas, $25
that's
at Amazon. I'm gonna need a puzzle. And these, if you've seen on my story on Instagram, which is probably gone by now, these are my rain checks from the supermarket. Very important. People laugh at me, but the woman at the supermarket didn't want to give them to me because she was closing in 5 minutes. But I had I went there to go get the avocados, 3 for $5, and they didn't have them. So I said, I want my rain check. She tisked me a little bit, and she didn't want to do it, but then eventually she gave me 3 coupons for the avocados.
So what you cooking? Because I'm hungry.
Okay, so we have these croissants, which actually show them first. They look really beautiful. This is actually, uncooked, beautiful. This is what they are. I'm not promoting anything, but it's one of my favorite things. They're from Williams-Sonoma. You have to order them online only. They come frozen on dry ice, and this is what they look like before they're...
So you take them out the night before?
Oh, you have to take them out the night before. Yes, thank you for reminding me that. And so you commit to it. If you take them out the night before, you're committed. So if somebody calls you and says, hey, Paul and Sergio, let's go to breakfast, we say, sorry, we can't. We have
croissants ready.
Okay.
So right now what's happening is that sometimes the chocolate one needs a little scoring.
Scoring. So I take a very sharp knife, actually the same one that Sergio cut his finger with last night.
Where is it? Where's my bone?
Because I said, ooh, that hurt, because I really sharpened it. I've been sharpening it all week, every day. I don't know why. I'm obsessed.
Looks nice.
Okay, so we need to do the egg wash, which is what makes them, most people who cook anything would know that when they do a pie or something, it makes it shiny. So it is optional, but I prefer the little bit of shine. Although one day I didn't do it, I kind of liked it. So
you're putting water in it?
I know. Sergio always gives me a hard time. What is the water all about? I said, I don't know. It's on the directions, so I'm going to do it.
Okay.
So that's why I do it.
Watering down my egg.
It says one tablespoon, and I just fill up the half the egg shell. This is how I beat an egg. So the egg wash is done, and I have this is an option. If you get the everything croissants, they send a little seed with it.
Let's
so
see.
It's nice.
Mm.
So you have the option. So even if you order everything, you don't have to have everything. Some people don't think like that. I don't know why. One lady on one of the comments for the croissants said that they were really good, except they went bad after 3 days after she cooked them all. And it was like you didn't have to cook them all at once. She didn't realize that you could take them out one at a time. Anyway, read the comments.
Poor lady. She was stuck with
if you read
10 croissants for 3 days, and they went bad.
She's like, they weren't as good on the third day. Anyway, so that's why you have to plan it the night before. Anyway, I think I got a little everything on the chocolate, but I think it'll be fine. And then now we're going to put it in the oven for 25 minutes.
So, while the croissants are getting ready, I like to make a green shake because we need our greens and I can't live alone on croissants. Perfection. Cheers. I have to tell you, this is life.
I don't know how good it's going to go with the croissants right now, but we usually have them a little bit earlier.
That's why I'm drinking it now, so I can have my croissant later.
Okay, so this
Oh
one,
my goodness.
yeah, they look good. This one could look a little bit different, but
They look delicious. I don't know what you're talking about.
oh, they're hot.
Mmm.
Ooh, it's hot.
Put it down.
Damn, went through the towel.
So we made it out of the house, finally. And we're headed out to the Armory Show. We got VIP tickets.
Oh, fancy.
Fancy.
We fancy.
Fancy people. So, living in the West Village, you always have some nice surprise when you walk out the street. They're filming a movie. They got all these vintage trucks and cars. Ain't that amazing? What's going on in there? What are they filming?
I don't know. They sometimes film that. They use these cars for that TV show. Oh, there's that Mrs. Marvelous or some kind of TV
Mrs.
show on
Marvelous?
Netflix. That's the last time they were using those cars, but it could be anything. Al Pacino.
Al Pacino.
Al Pacino. It's Emma Stone. How about that? She's more relevant. Or Ryan Gosling. That's more relevant too.
It could be anything. They could be doing a little tiny show some in the corners of...
Well, they've invested
street.
a lot of money in the cars.
Have they?
Yeah.
Anyway, like I was saying, we're going to the Armory Show. For those of you that don't know what the Armory Show is, New York's... What was it?
New York City's
premier art fair of the latest 20th century, 21st century artwork. So it's being curated by the top curators in the world, and we have VIP tickets. We're gonna be showing you a little bit of what that is. And fancy.
I think it gets us a little lounge.
It does get us a little lounge and some food.
And we don't have to pay to get in.
There you go.
We don't have to pay.
So,
No dollars.
here we go. So we get back home from the Armory Show, and they are still filming. I don't know what they're filming, what movie it is, but we got these rides. These rides up here. Oh, go in, open the door.
I'm not gonna go in. I'm cold.
All right, we had a long day. It was fun, but it was really crowded. A lot of people, and there was a lot of beautiful artwork, as you guys might see. Anyway, we sign out, guys. Hope you guys liked the video. Sorry for the shakiness, and subscribe, like our videos, leave us your comments, and we'll talk to you guys in the next video. Peace.